Welcome to the Amazon, home to an incredible variety of wildlife, including the captivating and enigmatic electric eel. As you delve deeper into this lush forest, you'll find this iconic fish, native to the dark labyrinthine waters that dance through the emerald foliage of the rainforest. It's hidden in the depths, an enigma shrouded in the darkness of the water. The electric eel, though seemingly ordinary, possesses a unique ability that sets it apart from the hundreds of species that inhabit these waters. It is known for its ability to produce electricity, a biological marvel. It generates an electrical charge within itself, a stunning combination of science and nature. It utilizes this electrical discharge to defend itself against potential threats or predators attempting to disrupt its tranquility. Furthermore, it uses this innate ability to stun its prey, to hunt down smaller aquatic life that flit about in water's shadows. Being such a fascinating creature, the electric eel also poses a potential threat to those unaware of its capabilities. A swimmer or a fisherman who ventures too close without the knowledge of the power might be on the receiving end of a powerful, jolting electric shock. To ensure you remain safe these waters, it is crucial to take preventive measures. Refrain from swimming or fishing in areas known to be the electric eel's territory. Be cautious of touching or reaching for unknown submerged objects, as they might be hiding these electric creatures. As you venture further into the Amazon, immersing yourself in its vast, spellbinding beauty, remember always the electric eel and the potential danger it presents. This is a creature to be respected, not feared. Nature is for us to enjoy, not destroy. Respect all life, maintain safety, and relish your unique journey through the Amazon. Moving deeper into the Amazon, we come face to face with the remarkable abilities of the electric eel. A creature that is as fascinating as it is terrifying. It carries within itself a power that is unique to only a handful of species on this planet. This power is the ability to generate electricity. But how exactly does an electric eel generate electricity? The secret lies in its specialized cells called electrocytes. These cells act like tiny batteries, storing power that can be released at the eel's command. When the eel feels threatened or is on the hunt, it sends a signal from its brain to these electrocytes. This signal triggers a sudden release of ions, creating an electric charge that surges through the water surrounding the eel. This ability to generate electricity plays a vital role in the eel's survival. In the murky waters of the Amazon, visibility can be limited. The electric eel uses its electrical powers as a form of radar, sending out pulses of electricity that bounce back when they hit an object. This allows the eel to see its surroundings in complete darkness, locating prey and avoiding predators. The electric eel's ability to generate electricity is a testament to the wonders of nature. It showcases the incredible adaptations creatures have evolved to survive in their environments. The electric eel, a living embodiment of the power of electricity, is just one of the many marvels that await you in the depths of the Amazon. Despite its fascinating abilities, the electric eel can pose a threat to humans. While encounters with these electrifying creatures are relatively rare, they can be dangerous when they do occur. There have been instances of electric eel attacks on humans, particularly when the eels feel threatened or cornered. Diving into the waters of the Amazon, one might not expect to come face to face with a creature capable of delivering an electric shock of up to 600 volts. To put this into perspective, it's 5 times the shock of a standard US wall socket. Such a shock could cause heart failure, respiratory failure, and burns. And while fatalities are rare, they have been known to occur, particularly when the shock causes a person to drown. Despite the potential danger, it's important to keep in mind that electric eels are not aggressive by nature. They use their electric powers primarily for navigation and hunting, and only resort to defensive shocks when they feel threatened. So, while it's crucial to respect these creatures and their space, there is no need to fear them unnecessarily. While rare electric eel attacks can be dangerous, so it's important to be cautious. Remember, the Amazon is their home and we are merely visitors. Always respect the wildlife and maintain a safe distance to ensure a safe and memorable adventure. As we navigate the wonders and dangers of the Amazon, it's crucial to remember we are just guests in this vast ecosystem. The Amazon is a powerhouse of biodiversity, hosting countless species, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem, including our electrifying friend, the electric eel. Respecting the wildlife is not just about preserving the balance of nature, it's also about ensuring our safety. The electric eel, despite its potentially lethal shock, is a creature to be respected, not feared. It reminds us that every creature in the Amazon has its defense mechanisms, and we must tread carefully. To ensure a safe journey, here are a few tips. First, always maintain a safe distance from wildlife. Remember, we are in their territory. Secondly, avoid touching or cornering any animal you encounter. This is when they are most likely to use their defensive mechanisms. Lastly, always travel with a guide. They are experienced in navigating the Amazon and can help you avoid potential dangers. By respecting the Amazon's wildlife and staying alert, we can ensure our safety while also marveling at the wonders of this rich ecosystem. Remember, a respectful visitor is a safe visitor, so let's appreciate the Amazon and all its inhabitants, including the electrifying electric eel, from a safe distance, ensuring a memorable and thrilling adventure.